You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, originally from the Bible. If you want to learn more biblical names, if you want to learn how it's pronounced in Korean, because it does exist in Korean as well, stay tuned. Make sure to stay tuned. Biblical pronunciation, Hebrew, Reu. Reu. In English, therefore, it is often pronounced as Reu. Now, some may say it in English, and that's a much more English pronunciation, Reu. In Hebrew, it sounds more like Reu. Therefore, in English, I would pronounce it personally as Reu. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.